Good morning, I'm Chanju. I'm so grateful that Grace and I are both doing the same poem, so we have a little bit of information already. I want to share with you, I chose this poem not because it's long, but I think it's full of imagination and curiosity, and it's really fun, not too extreme. That's what I like, and I can feel that when I was reading through it, there's a little tune brewing in my head. So I'm going to share with you. Here's how it goes. Is there really be a morning? Oh, sorry, I'll go again. Will there really be a morning? Is there such a thing as day? Could I see it from the mountains if I were as tall as they? Has it feet like water lilies? Has it feathers like a bird? Is it brought from famous countries, of which I have never heard? Oh, some scholar, oh, some sailor, oh, some wise man from the skies, please, to tell the little pilgrim where the place called morning lies. So that was just my very personal, thank you, it was just my very personal reflection on this poem. So now since we've read through it, I want us to revisit this poem again individually. Now, I want you to really play with every word, every syllable, and we want to start together, but we don't want to end together, because you can speed up, you can slow down, you can heighten your voice, or do a little choo-choo train sound, or a little jazzy groove, or dance to it, scream at it, whatever feels right to you. Okay, just ready to go crazy? 2, 3, go.
Will there really be a morning? Is there such a thing as day? Could I see it from the mountains if I were as tall as they? Has it feet like water lilies? Has it feathers like a bird? Is it brought from famous countries of which I have never heard? Oh, some scholar, oh, some sailor, oh, some wise man from the skies, please to tell a little pilgrim where the place called morning lies.
My real goal is that we can find something that belongs to this group together. So now I want some opinion. I want you to think of one word that came to your head that describes this poem or your feeling. Just one word. Any thought?
Curious.
Curious. Any else?
Whimsical.
Whimsical. Grace?
Hopeful.
Hopeful. Great. Any else? All right. Now we've collected some ideas and elements and words. Now let's try to find something that fit into this group. So I want you to kind of face each other. We'll split from the middle and kind of maybe stand up. That would be easier. And face each other. Like one time we did like the very first couple of lectures. So now this time we do want to end together. Okay, so I want you to gather those elements and hear each other and have a little interaction between each other. And here we go.
Will there really be a morning? Is there such a thing as day? Could I see it from the mountains if I were as tall as they? Has it feet like water lilies? Has it feathers like a bird? Is it brought from famous countries of which I have never heard? Oh, some scholar, oh, some sailor, oh, some wise man from the skies, please to tell a little pilgrim where this place called morning lies.
Awesome, thank you. Now, more ambitiously, I want us to create a little episode. So I do want 4 volunteers. Anyone felt very great about this poem, who really liked it, can you raise your hand? No one? Grace, thank you. Anyone else? Tiara? Paulina? And Noah? Okay, great. Thank you. So I want to create a beginning, a development, a climax, and the ending. So I want you guys to, maybe we'll go just from the very left. So we'll start with Noah. So, because I know you guys are far more creative than I am. So we'll all look at Noah. And Noah, you will start and we'll follow your lead, but I'll cue you a little bit. when you feel like it's time for development, you pass it to Grace, and then we'll all follow Grace lead. And when you feel like it's about to be a climax of us to follow, and then finally to Taryn to end with us. Okay.
Will there really be a morning? Is there such a
Thing as day,
Could I
see it from the mountains,
If I were as tall as
they,
has it feet
like water lilies,
has
has it feathers like a bird,
Is it brought from famous countries,
of which I have never heard?
Oh, some scholar,
Oh, some sailor, oh, some wise man from the skies,
please to tell a little
pilgrim,
where this place called
morning lies.
Thank you.
If you were going to take this further now, having designed the phrasing, I'm assuming that's where you were going, is that what was underneath it? Yeah. Okay, so then, I guess that's the next step then, is to then talk about phrasing with the students and discuss how shaping would happen. Is that where you were going with this?
Yeah, if we had more time, I would like to break down after these experiences. I would like to speak to you.
Yeah, exactly, great. So I think there's something, the reason I'm asking is because I want to just draw attention, shine light on, in terms of a pedagogical methodology in play, the systematic approach that I was noticing, I think I was noticing anyway, this is what it felt like to me, with Junju's instructions. Every single thing she did was layered. Does that make sense? So it took us to the next step, it took us to the next step, and there seemed to be purpose behind what was happening. And those moments of significance, of being able to wrap it up and draw the bow and say, look, this is one thing that just got accomplished here, would be part of our role. When we invite conversation and we invite engagement like that, I think there's a way to deepen the significance of what happened in the room simply by being an observer. And it's one thing to take the information in, which is was very interesting to watch. Whenever you were doing something, Junju was watching and looked to me, from my estimation, watching and listening very carefully to take in information. Is that accurate to your experience? Mm-hmm. And so what do we do with that next? Because it's easy to just have that remain internal. You know, lots of the time I think our understanding of observation is over here, and in a way can be passive. It's quite active on the inside, but outwardly passive. And I think it's one of our great responsibilities and honors, quite frankly, is to be able to say, hey, here's what I noticed. Here's what I heard. Here's what I felt. And again, we have this language of empowerment, as opposed to saying, you did this, you did that, you didn't do this, you did that, you were this, you were that, you weren't this. As opposed to that, which is of course my bias here, one can simply state significance. I heard, I noticed, I felt, it seemed, I wonder about. What say you? Is that true for you? Those kinds of questions keep the ball rolling. And I do think it's important for us as educators to be able to have those moments of significance where we state it out loud. So it's not just internal, that we share what we are thinking, feeling, etc. about what just transpired. Then that co-creative process is one of constant learning, throwing the dart the next time you hit a bullseye, etc. Does that make sense, teachers? So when we're talking about in the learning outcomes portion of this class, to develop a language of empowerment, this goes back and forth with feedback. How do I offer feedback to the class? How do I elicit feedback from the class, etc. This language, this is why I'm talking about it, feels really important. I felt that was really strong in the delivery. I also felt that the pacing was quick and efficient and clear. The only thing I want you to listen for is, were you always audible to yourself on the recording? Though I will say, and it's not a criticism, I'm just curious, how did you feel about that? Just to have that be an awareness. I will never forget Mavis Wilson, my grade 4 teacher. She walked into the class and she said, good morning, grade 4. My name is Mrs. Wilson. It is my great privilege to meet you today. Never in my years of teaching, I have been teaching a very, very long time, have I ever raised my voice beyond this level to my class, and I don't expect to have any occasion to do so with any of you. Does that make sense? And we all say, yes, Miss Wilson. She said, wonderful. I will never forget it as long as that, and she never did. And it was such a rude awakening. We'd switch class to go to our French thing, and Madame Gauly was like, okay, so now like she was super flamboyant and like this, and it was quick, like you had to get used to her, you know. But it was like this meditative thing to come back to homeroom because Mrs. Wilson was so calm all the time. It didn't matter what happened. And it was quite something that even the most rambunctious children in the room were quite calm in her presence. The day that I walked into my hairdressers, who I've known for a very long time, and there in her chair sat Mavis Wilson, I just about lost my mind. I was like, oh my God, it's my great 14th. And I was like, and Wendy's looking at me like, you're being so weird. What's the matter with her? She's like, okay. So I walked up and I said, hi, Mrs. Wilson. I'm sure you don't remember. And she said, Almeida. I said, well, you would have called me Jenny back then. She said, right. And she said, well, I have to say, I don't entirely remember, but it is lovely to see you. You seem to have grown into it. And she spoke in this exact same. She looked exactly the same. And she was a woman who, this was a smile for Mrs. Wilson. And it was exactly the same. Her hair is exactly the same. Like, it's exactly the same. She looked exactly the same. And I said, it's just so wonderful to see. Yes, thank you. And thank you for saying hello. I wish you. And then I was out the chair trying to flip through some trashy magazine going, I cannot believe Mrs. Wilson's signature. And I was like, oh my God, Wendy, like she's the most amazing woman. She's like, okay, let's just try to calm down. Yeah. So there's something to be said too. It's not an automatic thing that we have to be louder. I just want you to be aware and see what you feel about it. Okay? Wonderful. Thank you very much.